Guys, we are back. So today is the day that you guys all been waiting for. We're sending off the SRT. We got the tow truck here. As you guys can see, we got the tow truck here to get the SRT. Yes, sir. So the SRT is gonna go. We decided that we were going to work on it ourselves. I was gonna send it off to a buddy, but he didn't have room at the time and I really needed to get it done, so we're just gonna work on it ourselves. Our tech is on the way here. He said he just left the bank, so when he get here, we're gonna go ahead and, you already know, show you guys what's going on when it's on the truck. Have him break down a little bit what he's going to do, because he's gonna be the one. I really only let one person touch my cars now, since we got our tech. We in the game like EA. So I also want to tell you guys, hit that like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you're watching to this point. Again, we hit 2,000 subs. We're on the road to 3,000. Let's get there. We could do this shit. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're up early. We're working hard. Car. Oh yeah.
So guys, I'm here to turn apart into this SRT-4, cut the battery tray off, vacuum lines all removed, well not all of them, but some of them are stuck over there. But I'm looking into this shifter cables, and man, I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be some type of bush in here, or some of the sorts, but yeah, I don't think any of that is here. Yeah, that's pretty messed up. Alright guys, so I want to drain the radiator. Well, it looks like I got a whole bunch of things to... Well, maybe it's just this. Oh, actually, that came out really fucking easy. There's supposed to be a clip here, I think, and it's maybe it looks like it's broken. So let's drain this radiator real fast. Alright, so this is flushed. Gonna go ahead and take out the AC refrigerant, take out the radiator, disconnect the throttle cable, and just keep going.